Why was the submarine explorer originally created? A. To assist the North in the Civil War. B. To harvest pearls. C. To explore undersea. Or D. To experiment with decompression sickness. In order to answer this question, we need information from the fourth paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we find mention of Julius H. Kroll's submarine explorer, which is what our question is asking about. The text goes on to tell us that this submarine was created for the North during the American Civil War, but the war ended before it went into use. Even though it wasn't used in the war in the end, the text tells us that its original purpose was to help the North during the American Civil War. Because our question is asking why it was originally created and not what it was used for in the end, we can head down to our choices and mark A, to assist the North in the Civil War, as our final answer.